Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do these cute little ghost tips this Halloween. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Milky pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of French kiss and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Bloodlust, apply a thin coat to the top of your silicone nail stamper. Gently press into the tip of your nail and move it from side to side to create a French tip. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed before curing. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Whiteout and the big dotting ball, paint a dot where you want your ghost to be. Using your thin nail art brush, paint the shape of a curved ghost and fill in. Paint the ghost's tail under the French tip, keeping it thin. Paint a little arm for the ghost. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Blackout and the small dotting ball, paint 2 eyes. Then paint a dot for the mouth and drag it down. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.